it's Faye and this is Day with Faye. Today I'm going to be showing you my ultra blotted lip collection from Colourpop, as well as my ultra gloss lip, the one that I have, and the one ultra metallic lip that I have, and my ultra satin lip collection for you guys. I have reviewed the Colourpop No Filter Foundation and Setting Powder, which is linked down below, and I've also done my swatches for my ultra mattes from Colourpop, which is also linked down below. Check them out after this video. My forehead is kind of crazy because I went out to the beach and I got burnt. So I'm super dry over there. So if you're looking at my forehead, that's what's happening. The moral of the story is reapply, and if you think you've reapplied enough, no you didn't, because I thought I reapplied. Obviously not enough. Let's get cracking. So first up, we're gonna do the ultra blotted lip from Colourpop. Now, I am obsessed with this formula, as well as my fiance is obsessed with this formula, because, no lie, it feels the closest to my normal lips. It's matte, it doesn't like transfer, it fades naturally throughout the day. It looks, I don't know, it's just my favorite easy lip product to wear. I'm obsessed with them, I wanna get more. So yeah, if you have not tried the ultra blotted lip, definitely try it out. I want to hear your thoughts. Do you guys like the ultra blotted lip? Comment down below. I want to know what you think. So first up, we have Double Scoop, which is a light bright coral. Next up, we have Out of Beach, which is a bright coral. Now this is no longer available, but I wanted to show you guys the swatch because I have it. Next up, we have Doozy, which is a warm rose. Next up, we have Party Wave, which is a soft terracotta. Next up, we have Zuma, which is a warm nude. Last of the ultra blotted, I have Bitto Sunny, which is a bright cherry red. Now we are on to the ultra glossy lips, and I only have one, and it's from the Kathleen Dream Street collection, and it's Moonchild, which is a pinky nude with gold glitter. Now we are on to my one ultra metallic, which is Kween, and I hope this was named after Broad City because I'm obsessed with that show. And this is a Marsala metallic with gold glitter. Alright, now we're on to my ultra satin collection, and first up is Dreamy. And Dreamy is a peachy pink. Again, it's from the Kathleen Lights Colourpop Dream Street collection. Next up is Bare Necessities, which is a peachy pink nude. Again, this is sold out. It is no longer in stock. This is from the Alexis Ren and Colourpop collaboration. Next up is November, which is a warm peachy pink. Next up we have Frack, which is a rosy terracotta. Lastly, I have Rêver, which is again part of the Kathleen Lights and Colourpop collection, and this is a neon orange red. Alright guys, that concludes my Colourpop collection of Ultra Blotted, which I'm obsessed with, my Ultra Gloss lipstick, my Ultra Metallic lipstick, and my Ultra Satin lipstick. I hope you guys found it super informational and you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And if this is your first time to my channel and you liked the video, or if you just haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I would love it if you did it. Again, PSA, make sure to put sunscreen on and reapply vigorously when you go out to the beach. I did it on my forehead and on my nose, so things are a little bit patchy, so sorry about that. But I hope you guys have a really good rest of your SPF-filled day. Bye, see you Friday.